Thomas the Tank Engine was puffing happily along his branch line with Annie and Clarabelle. Sir Topham Hatt was waiting on the platform. He was looking at his watch. "Well done, Thomas. You were right on time and really reliable." "Thank you, sir," puffed Thomas. "Ooh, right on time and really reliable," puffed the coaches. But the bigger engines were not feeling cheerful at all. "Where's Percy?" grumbled Henry. "He's supposed to get our coaches." "We get no rest," complained James. Then he went angrily onto the turntable and spoke rudely to Henry. "What's the matter, Henry? There's no rain today. Stop your worrying and go do some work instead." "I'm not afraid of the rain anymore," huffed Henry. "Anyway, you look silly enough to be a clown." "You should go to join the circus." "Oh," whistled Percy, "so you heard the news?" "What news?" asked Gordon. "About the circus." "Percy, what are you talking about?" "The circus has just arrived," explained Percy. "I've been shunting special trucks. Sir Topham Hatt says he wants your help, too." The engines soon forgot to be tired and cross, until it was time for the circus to leave. Then Gordon and Henry got cross all over again when James was chosen to take the special train away. A little while later, Sir Topham Hatt came to see Henry. "Come along, Henry. The tunnel is blocked down the line. You must take some workmen to investigate." pushing trucks, grumbled Henry. He stopped outside of the tunnel. The workmen went inside. It was very dark and quiet, but not for long. "Help!" shouted the workmen, and they ran out. "We started to dig at the block, but it grunted and moaned," one said. "Rubbish," said the foreman. "It's not rubbish, it's big and alive. We're not going back in there again." "Right," said the foreman. "I'll ride in one of the trucks and Henry will push it out." "Wheesh," said Henry unhappily. He had been stuck in the tunnel for being afraid of the rain, but this was worse. Something big and alive was inside. "Peep, peep, I don't want to go in." "Neither do I," said his driver, "but we must clear the line." Oh dear, puffed Henry. Then there was trouble. The block was indeed alive and very strong. It began pushing the train backwards. Out of the tunnel came Henry, then the trucks, and lastly a large cross elephant. "Well, I never," cried the foreman. The workman gave him some cakes. He drank 3 buckets of water and was just about to drink another when Henry let off some steam. Water went all over Henry. Poor Henry. The elephant and his keeper were soon reunited, but Henry was most upset. "An elephant pushed me. An elephant hooshed me." That night he told the other engines all about it. Gordon and James felt sorry for Henry, but still teased him. "First the rain, now an elephant. Whatever will you be afraid of next?" Never mind, Henry, murmured Thomas. I think that you were very brave today, and really reliable, too.